Hey there, beach lovers and sun seekers. Today, we're diving into the tropical paradise that is the Meliá Caribe Beach Resort in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Grab your virtual sunscreen and let's explore this Caribbean gem together. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? The Meliá Caribe Beach Resort boasts a whopping 768 rooms, each designed to make you feel like you're living in your own little slice of paradise. Whether you're looking for a cozy standard room or a spacious suite, this place has got you covered. Picture this. You wake up, step out onto your furnished balcony, and are greeted by stunning views of lush gardens or sparkling pools. Not a bad way to start the day, right? Now let's talk amenities. Each room comes equipped with all the modern comforts you'd expect from a 4-star resort. We're talking air conditioning to keep you cool in that Caribbean heat, free Wi-Fi to keep you connected or to make your friends back home jealous with your VacationPackages, and a 32-inch LED TV for those moments when you need a break from all that sunshine. Oh, and coffee lovers, rejoice! There's a coffee maker in every room, so you can get your caffeine fix without even leaving your pajamas. But wait, there's more. The resort has taken steps to be eco-friendly, using LED lighting and environmentally friendly cleaning products. So you can feel good about your stay, knowing you're not leaving a massive carbon footprint in the sand. And for those traveling with little ones, child beds are available in the suites. Because let's face it, nothing ruins a vacation faster than a cranky, uncomfortable kid. Now, let's move on to everyone's favorite topic, food. The Meliá Caribe Beach Resort is a foodie's paradise, with 10 restaurants to choose from. That's right, 10. You could eat at a different place every day of your vacation and still not try them all. From international cuisine to local Caribbean specialties, your taste buds are in for a treat. And the best part? It's all-inclusive, so you can sample to your heart's content without worrying about the bill. But what's a beach vacation without some refreshing drinks? The resort has you covered there too, with several bars scattered throughout the property. Imagine sipping on a fruity cocktail while lounging by the pool, or enjoying a cold beer with your toes in the sand at the beach bar. Now that's what I call paradise. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at Meliá Caribe Beach Resort. This place is basically a water lover's dream come true. With 4 outdoor pools, you'll never be far from a refreshing dip. And if you're traveling with kids or you're just a big kid at heart, you'll love the children's pool complete with a water slide. It's like having your own private water park. But the real star of the show here is Playa Bávaro Beach. Picture soft, white sand stretching as far as the eye can see, crystal clear turquoise waters gently lapping at the shore, and palm trees swaying in the breeze. It's the kind of beach that makes you want to quit your job and become a professional beach bum. And the best part? The resort provides umbrellas, chairs, and towels, so all you need to bring is your sunscreen and a good book. For those who like to stay active on vacation, the resort offers a variety of water sports. You can try your hand at snorkeling, exploring the vibrant underwater world just off the coast. Or maybe kayaking is more your speed. Either way, there's plenty to keep you entertained both in and out of the water. Now let's talk about activities because this resort is all about keeping you entertained. First up, we've got the fitness center. It's equipped with all the latest gear to help you keep up with your workout routine or start a new one. No judgment here. They even offer Pilates classes for those looking to stretch and strengthen. But let's be real, you're on vacation. So if working out isn't your thing, how about some pampering instead? The Waichai Spa is the place to be for some serious relaxation. Treat yourself to a hot stone massage or maybe a mani-pedi to get those toes beach ready. They've got a sauna and steam room too, perfect for sweating out all those poolside cocktails. And the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. The resort offers weekly entertainment, including live performances and shows. It's like having your own private concert right there on the beach. Who needs Netflix when you've got that? For families traveling with kids, this resort is a dream come true. The Supervised Kids Club offers a variety of activities to keep the little ones entertained while you sneak off for some adult time. From arts and crafts to beach games, they'll be having so much fun they might not even notice you're gone. Now, let's venture beyond the resort for a moment. The Meliá Caribe Beach Resort is perfectly situated to explore some of Punta Cana's top attractions. Golf enthusiasts will love the proximity to the Cocotao Golf and Country Club, just a short 6 kilometers drive away. For a bit of adventure, check out the Bávaro Adventure Park about 10 kilometers from the resort. Zip lining anyone? And nature lovers won't want to miss the Indigenous Eyes Ecological Park, a beautiful nature reserve with hiking trails just 15 kilometers away. So, what's the overall verdict on the Meliá Caribe Beach Resort? Well, like any place, it has its strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, you've got that prime beachfront location, spacious rooms, and a ton of amenities to keep you entertained. The variety of dining options is a big hit with guests, and families particularly love the kid-friendly atmosphere. However, no place is perfect. Some guests have reported issues with noise from air conditioning units, disturbing their sleep. There have also been mentions of inconsistent housekeeping and occasionally slow service. And, as with many all-inclusive resorts, some guests feel the value for money could be better, especially when it comes to pricey extras or difficulties with restaurant reservations. But let's focus on what makes this place special. The Meliá Caribe Beach Resort stands out for its vibrant Caribbean atmosphere and extensive facilities. It's like a little city unto itself, with everything you could need for a perfect beach vacation right at your fingertips. The lush gardens and multiple pool complexes create a tropical oasis that's hard to beat. For those planning events or conferences, the resort has you covered there too. While specific details aren't readily available, it's safe to assume they have facilities to accommodate various types of gatherings. Just imagine hosting a business meeting with the sound of waves in the background. Talk about a productivity boost. Now, let's talk about some guest experience highlights. While we don't have specific anecdotes, it's clear from reviews that many guests have had memorable experiences here. Whether it's the friendly staff going above and beyond, the surprise of finding your favorite dish at one of the restaurants, or simply the joy of watching your kids have the time of their lives, there's plenty of opportunity for those special vacation moments. In conclusion, if you're looking for a lively, family-friendly resort with a prime beachfront location and plenty of amenities, the Meliá Caribe Beach Resort could be just the ticket. Sure, it may not be perfect, but with its beautiful setting, variety of activities, and all-inclusive convenience, it offers a solid Caribbean vacation experience. Just remember to pack your sense of adventure, your appetite, and maybe some earplugs if you're a light sleeper. So, what do you think? Are you ready to trade in your office chair for a beach lounger at the Meliá Caribe Beach Resort? The crystal clear waters of Punta Cana are calling. And trust me, you're going to want to answer. Until next time, keep dreaming of those Caribbean sunsets, and remember, life's a beach, so you might as well enjoy it. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.